Hello guys, welcome to Indo Drama channel. So guys, in this video we are going to see that Iran is going to build its new naval base in Indian Ocean. What will be the impact of this in India and America and other neighboring countries? What will be the impact of this in geopolitics? We will see in this video. Before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my videos. On 22nd June, Monday, Iranian media reported that Iran is going to build a military base in Indian Ocean. Now in this time, Indian Ocean becomes one of the most important ocean, and this is not a good news from safety point of view. Usually, when the importance of ocean increases, simultaneously the militarization, that is deployment of military activities, will also increase in that ocean. Already we know that China increases its activities in this ocean, and often Chinese submarines comes to Indian Ocean. And with this, where France and Australia deployed their militaries in Indian Ocean, and America recently doing lots of deployment of militants in this area. And from the recent information, Iran is planning to deploy their militants in Indian Ocean. Obviously, because of the gathering of 5 nation militants in one place, definitely there will be a chance in future where it could lead to a seriousness or chance of escalation. Recently, Iran's Admiral Alireza Tangsiri, the current commander of the naval attachment of the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps, he said that the construction of the Navy base in Indian Ocean should be completed by the end of the year. But America is not appreciating this decision of Iran to construct a Navy base in Indian Ocean. America already declared that IRGC, Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps, is a terrorist organization. As we know that, some few months ago, US killed top IRGC commander Qasem Soleimani by drone strike. So from this you can understand that how much serious this situation is. Definitely there is a chance of clash between America and Iran. Iran knows this from before. Then why Iran is building the military base? What is the objective behind this? According to Iran, this military base will be used to protect commercial vessels and fishing from piracy and from foreign ships. Because of the safety of these ships, Iran wants to do greater access in Indian Ocean by using its naval military base. Iran intends to build its base at Chabahar port. Chabahar port is used for shipping goods to Afghanistan. This port is built by the request of India to America for easily supply goods to Afghanistan. To build this port, America gave special permission to India to use Chabahar port to reach Afghanistan. Iran has been locked in tensions with its Arab neighbors and the US, which has centered on the busy shipping lanes of the Strait of Hormuz. You can see in this image that where is that Strait of Hormuz located. Recently, Iran invested heavily in their naval defense. This investment is directly strengthened their naval base. So what will be the impact on India because of this? There is no problem for India, according to experts, because India have a very good relationship with Iran, and this announcement of Iran won't create any problem for India. But this is a serious concern from America's point of view, and this may create a dangerous confrontation between America and Iran naval base. Thank you for watching my video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe it. And if you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section. If you like this video, please share to your friends and family. Keep supporting me. Thank you for loving support. See you in the next video.